Welcome to your tutorial for Magic Spell for School. This tutorial will take you through what your students will see when they log into the game for the first time. The first thing they need to do is begin the game by adding in their unique username and password. Their username is found in the bottom right hand corner of the page there. This can then be entered using the keypad that will appear on the screen. The password itself is the large alphanumeric code which will be found in the centre of the screen there. They can then add this in the same way as the username before. This will take your students into their unique portal. So this will collate their points and their hobs and will allow them to select and buy wands. Okay, so they've selected a challenge there. The golden challenges at the top are the special homework spelling lists that they've been set. They've chosen a challenge and have decided to see the secret hint, which will allow them to view the words that they will be challenged on during this game. The aim of the game is to swipe through the correctly spelt words. Golden words present a new challenge within the game. There are many different challenges. This one here is comparing correctly and incorrectly spelt words. See the honest mistake there? The children will see that they're incorrect when the word flashes up red. The students need to avoid swiping the incorrectly spelt words. This challenge here relies on the students being able to spell the word back together again. There will be occasions when there are extra letters that fall as well, so they'll need to distinguish between the letters they need and the letters that they don't need in any one instance. You can see there the points are added for particularly fast reflexes. The game is designed to allow children to become over-familiar with any words that are within a level, so therefore they see those words presented in many different challenges throughout one game. The idea then being that they remember and visualise those words so that they can then apply them in their written work outside of the game. At the end of the level, they can earn up to 3 stars for completion, accuracy, and also for reflexes. At the end of the game, they can see where they rank in their class and school. They can choose to spend their money on new wands if they wish. Click on the cog to log out of the game. Thank you for listening. Enjoy Magic Spell for School.